Hello guys, today I will show you how to make professional logo online within a minute. Because nowadays everyone's stuck to make a logo for theirself. Some people hire a designer which costs them too much, so here is the solution for your problem. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
To the summer of love.
Go to your browser, and search for Taylor Brands. Links are in the description. Now sign up with your Facebook or Google account. Now, write the name of your business or your name and click Design. Enter your industry category, and write a description under that, to get more details, or, you can skip that. Now, choose your logo type. For example, you want icon-based logo, or a name-based, or initial-based. It is your choice. I choose the icon base, and there are two more options, abstract shape, or search for icon. It is up to you what type of logo you want. I choose search for icon. You can see some icon. If you don't like this, you can search other icons, and click Next. Now, he asks you which font suits you. Click the fonts you like, to complete to 100%. Wait for the process to complete 100%. And you can see there are many logos. Choose the logo you like. Or if you want to customize you can customize it. If you like it, click on Love it. You can see there are some options that show the payment for the logo. If you like it, you can download it by paying the amount. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.